I wanted to show you this for fellow tall people and rockers. I made these straps extra long. I've been working on this strap idea for a while in the background, and I'm really excited to have it come to fruition here. I want to create a whole product line for New Perspectives Music, not just reclaimed wood guitars, and I want it to all make sense and point out some maybe deficiency in the way that we shop or in the way that we recycle and reclaim. So for straps, my first thought was to just go to the junkyard and get a bunch of seat belts and make some straps out of those, but that's been done to death. And then I was thinking about finding some like organic material, maybe like something sustainable. And it just wasn't exciting me, and so instead I decided to go this sort of like fair trade route. I use quotes because it's not actually through the fair trade organization, and have these straps made in Thailand. So I found Braverly, and what they are is a group that empowers women in the area to gives them some skills and a job and protects them from what could potentially be a dangerous place for them to be. They have like a bakery cafe as well as a sew shop. It's a faith-based organization, and they're super fantastic people. It was such a joy to work with them. They were willing to do this sort of partnership with me where I made part here and then they finished it there. I learned a lot about sort of international manufacturing and shipping, and it was just great. So I highly recommend that in the future, that if you're looking to get something done, look for other options besides just the regular path, because sometimes you find some really interesting and unique people that you can do something truly special with. And we did that here. These straps are all, every one of them is different. They're each a work of art, and I'm super excited to have them in my line. So the main reason I wanted these was to stock my guitar truck that I'm building out, and if you don't know about that, go check that stuff out. But then they'll also be for sale at my website at newperspectivesmusic.com if you're interested in one. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you around. Be good.